Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to upgrade your photography game in 2026, you're in the right place. Today we're counting down the top 5 best digital cameras available this year, whether you're into vlogging, travel, portraits, or professional shoots. We've tested and compared features like image quality, performance, battery life, and overall value to bring you only the best picks. And make sure to check the product links in the description below so you can see the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. 5Jonger YL1508C Black. Capture every moment in stunning detail with the VJonger 4K 64 megapixel digital camera, a compact all-in-one solution for photography, vlogging, and everyday memories. Featuring crisp 4K video, ultra-clear 64 megapixel photos, and a 3-inch flip screen, it's perfect for YouTube creators, travelers, students, and families alike. The 18x digital zoom and built-in flash make it easy to shoot both near and far, even in low light, while the fill light, internal microphone, and speaker ensure quality content anytime. With Wi-Fi for instant sharing, webcam support for streaming or video calls, and a lightweight 9.8-ounce design, this camera is simple, versatile, and fun to use. Complete with accessories and extra batteries, it's an affordable point-and-shoot camera and a perfect gift for kids, adults, seniors, and beginners on any special occasion. 4. Teftimon DC101. Capture every moment in stunning clarity with this upgraded 4K digital camera, designed to make photography and vlogging effortless and fun. Shoot crisp 4K video and ultra-detailed 64 megapixel photos with fast autofocus that keeps every subject sharp, while the 180-degree flip IPS screen makes selfies and YouTube vlogs a breeze. With 16x digital zoom, built-in flashlight for low-light shots, and compact travel-friendly design, it's perfect for creators on the go. Built-in Wi-Fi lets you instantly transfer and share your content, and powerful features like webcam mode, time-lapse, slow motion, anti-shake, beauty filters, and face detection help you create standout videos with ease. Lightweight, beginner-friendly, and backed by reliable customer support, this camera is an ideal all-in-one choice for aspiring creators and everyday memory makers. 3. Duluvalu DC101. Capture your world in stunning detail with this newest 4K digital camera, designed to make every shot look professional and effortless. It records crisp 4K video and ultra-sharp 48 megapixel photos with fast autofocus and 16x digital zoom to keep every moment clear, even from a distance. Packed with creative features like time-lapse, slow motion, anti-shake, face detection, beauty mode, filters, and a built-in fill light, this camera lets you level up your content with ease. The 3.0-inch 180-degree flip IPS screen is perfect for selfies, vlogging, and YouTube creation, while its compact, travel-friendly design makes it ideal for everyday shooting. It also works as a webcam for streaming and video calls, supports easy USB transfer, and comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, plus an 18-month hassle-free warranty, making it an unbeatable choice for beginners, teens, and creators on the go. 2. Jukoner digital camera. Capture every moment in stunning detail with this upgraded 5K 96 megapixel digital camera, powered by the advanced IMX415 CMOS sensor to deliver true 5K video and ultra-high-resolution photos with vibrant, natural colors. The 6x optical zoom with fast autofocus lets you get closer without losing quality, while anti-shake stabilization, a built-in flashlight, and dual front and rear lenses make it perfect for vlogging, travel, and low-light shooting. Packed with creative features like time-lapse, slow motion, filters, face detection, webcam mode, and more, this compact camera is easy to use yet incredibly versatile. Lightweight and travel-ready, it comes with a 64 gigabytes memory card and a long-lasting built-in battery, so you can start shooting right out of the box. Whether you're a beginner, content creator, or gifting it to someone special, this camera delivers pro-level performance with a hassle-free 18-month warranty and fast customer support. 1. Kodak PixPro FZ55-BK. Capture every moment in stunning detail with this powerful yet compact camera featuring a 16-megapixel CMOS sensor and a 5x optical zoom with a 28mm wide-angle lens that's perfect for landscapes, travel, and everyday shooting. Records smooth, sharp 1080p Full HD video, making it an excellent choice for vlogging, YouTube content, and social media. The bright 2.7-inch LCD screen lets you frame and review shots easily, while SD card support up to 512 gigabytes, Class 10 or higher, gives you plenty of space for photos and videos. With a rechargeable Li-ion battery for reliable, on-the-go power, this camera is a great all-in-one solution for creators who want quality, simplicity, and portability. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best digital cameras of 2026. Whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a pro looking to upgrade, there's a camera here for every style and budget. All the product links are in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and details for each camera we mentioned. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our future tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.